How to fix notifications on Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually fix notifications on Facebook Messenger. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, you could not be receiving notifications for multiple reasons. Now first of all, we will just check whether or not we have blocked someone's notification. Let's say that you're not being able to receive a notification from a certain person. Just tap on the profile name and check whether or not you have muted their notifications. For example, when you can see notifications and some, just make sure that you have turned on notification for that person, because if you likely mute them, you will not receive notifications from that particular person. However, if this isn't the case, then we can also move on to another solution, and that is to simply go ahead and open up the settings application. Once you open up the settings app, you can see this is how it is going to look like. All you have to do is simply go to the option called notifications, and as soon as you tap on the notifications tab, you have to go to the option which says Messenger. So simply go ahead and then look for the Messenger application. So let me just go ahead and also look for Messenger. Well, if you don't find in the search box right over here, then what I can also do is you could just go ahead and use the search box at the top. But since we found Messenger, tap on it. You want to make sure that this toggle right next to Messenger is actually turned on, because if the toggle is turned off, you will not be able to receive any type of notifications. And also what we will do is we will simply come to this particular option which is notification categories, and you want to make sure to also turn on all the toggles right over here. So just go ahead and make sure to turn all the toggles on in this particular case. If the toggles are turned off, again you will not be able to receive notifications. Other than that, what you could do is make sure that it is set to allow sound and vibration. So just go ahead and make sure that you've allowed sound and vibration, and do not select deliver quietly. And once you've done all of that, hopefully this will fix the notification issue. Also check whether or not you have do not disturb mode enabled. So in my case, I have do not disturb mode enabled. By default, this feature is available on every phone, whether Android or iOS. So simply make sure that you don't have do not disturb mode turned on. And hopefully one of these solutions might have definitely worked for you. If it did work for you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.